me abrasum dwen kan bibia bokọ de
enka won so nyame adom bibia ye bokọ wo ha na so e
na meti ase he kremo pa anya easy
bibia be fine bibia be fine.
The soccer match was fantastic, solid.
It was.
I loved it, every bit of it.
Just that I was at a point disappointed.
Oh, where were they?
Well, na bibia ko kama we shy mrantia no so no mudi agro fine.
Yeah,
baby I made disappointment sha say changes bia your coach no
okay.
And is dear anyam honestly enra your mrantia de de omo fam de ombe no mo ye it make say bebo players na baso o my yade pa na ya na akobodin bia na ama ebinu mai o madwense bia e otan na say ahoye bi what you say
edin benza
de ye bi mu film e de ne ba ya wono no mai be concede 2 goals because of no negligence and I say say want to me anye na dwuma e wo park ne so no I think say your coach no or mo ayen and now people were calling for bannier so matikra say na nam social media ni ade bi mo hyase krompo ebo eye pate edin because I say we reserving ho kakra the whole 90 plus 9 minutes I dey kan ho yi koko wie no so asa ya nhyeda hunu no nhyeda nte ne nka papa bia o pitch ne so ebi wo ka so on person be di ne ho be hyem a obetena bi kwa no akwa na so akwa affect ne team a obo amano ni interest ade amano reserve ne ho kakra.
Well, I don't think so. I think I said this World Cup and World Cup obe shine here how Hakrana
never be on
oh no Hakrana team for me at all because who born ding amana kosro but coach me assure say strategy are all playing on what yes here and sometimes we sit back criticisms in a back but on the field of play is a different ball game what show you the first half coach said that a ball defensive game just to steady Portugal
studied the whole 45 minutes.
Yes, but
you're watching
as coach behind the strategy. But over sure more second half na fina game no we beam a flow.
It's from beginning
baby obiemu from beginning so one shanka omo be say poto.
Oh yes sure.
I think the coach onim the oye because e be obiemu Portugal for sure said there first half for more boy any or more passes in ade na and kan check crank be di goals bebre. And maybe or said that boy no say mama fan steady Crawford said there na ombe na me fan Crawford me no ento Ronaldo so na fe at the end of the day.
Also no who so.
Oh yes.
No so
strategy.
Now why you more born attacking in every mark of fire no mabegum. Omo buy 2 goals.
Asemba munya
Omo buy 2 goals. How? So ukobodi say we weka se boy. Na enra me send that message and na me bisa na senti dia a referee ayen you know yentimi protest say be a penalty na nye penalty na say be a go bi omo say no na e offside or say once a waje o park na so de waje but ye be kosa World Cup yi ye wonso omo de hihye bebre no an ye mafoforo bi krompo na aba adan na yentimi nkodura point say referee na park so no waje bibia enye papa ma obidi ntwa na say obidi nkudima ye kokotena che koye adwuma no wi yetimi rescind the decision no say referee de ma no ye twago nim adan na ye ntumi nkonkoduru sampempenso ni bi anane de ebabo mu enye yi ana nti chaso gina park na so say o senyo ojiwia asa today we are in 2022 boy you cry mo say camera ni ade nyina ahye boy mu a ni nyina monitor
Abraham en judge check akra ebusia wa join ya wa twentre on match na course on run no well yentie dia also said the hu no 0302 216561 and 0302 216562 0302 216561 0302 216562 and right nyina ye hwe bi ye hu said the koye wa twentre on the soccer match na fe yenko Monday ne Uruguay for
nyame adma Monday ye ni Korea rather
South Korea na Uruguay. South Korea your last game and ayiwa Monshama me na Uruguay na last game.
I think Friday Samuel Monday no ye ni South Korea.
Okay. South Korea anyway. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes boss, mbacho dini baby afrefi.
Very much because I fit them.
Me bacho yenti we.
Oh, and penalty me na any penalty. Ref no we are
down. Referee no we are pa.
We are. Okay, sorry. say sorry and kokate FIFA.
Yes, sorry, go country FIFA. But I say no I drink some drink count. Hello, good morning, too bad. 0302-216-561 0302-216-562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asempa.
Yes, madam.
I'm not born on the Ghana 4 years by resting. I was so mission and she say, no, how we started to let anyway, no one you know. It was so share back 1 year because Panat or dear Nanya Panat, at least you're seeing a draw. And the boys now are there for and let's match number in Yamani and Yaje. Bye bye.
But so Matiwan Bodi answer me, mom, but me that CP said, Freya. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Jampacho Dini Baby Alfrefi.
I from Kobe in the Africa.
Kobe Kaswa Yentio.
Martin the climate change is a mountain one day. I'm saying, kind of, oh my, the papa. Born on my pulling by mistaking in our feet that sudden change in our coaching a year. So I was now maintaining kudus ni you know bukakra at least some bukakra before say the changes in the man be disorganized and my gisa a 3 goes no but boys me and bomb about so my ade
Mate Abusia me that CP said wo frey. Hello, good morning. Too bad. 0302-216-561. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me bacho Dini Baby Alfrefi. Oh, too bad. I take up, Mr. Chucky. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Black West Yasempa.
Yes, boss. Me bacho Dini Baby Alfrefi.
Me pacho me Dindi Joseph Tete me whether I came across do one after me or Gaba Coupe.
That's right. Oga Yentio.
Me pacho Yamishra Munia Juma Pamoye.
Amen.
Yamianim no Crane, your prayers need it. Any Yamranti and Omo ya de papa. Me says Omo bar, Omo Yuri, no boy, and left Rennie Sisi and the Edikai. Yes, also me and your coach in Zwan Yabe. Obi a wa ball laughing and in Vima Barno, Usi Mumi and me Mwefli. Nipa me and no Mamosuna go nearby. In Dubai, you cry you back when I can come back. Not me only me contribute to more for no ban. Now, why you are me and if you're no so fair, Nadia, then one has seen inquiring Yamish Damo Papa.
Mati Abusia, Yamishra was here. That's it. Hello, good morning. Too bad. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, boss. Me bacho say.
If I'm coming from soon.
Come so home Yentio.
I saw a mechanic and where I play in the war about but I never open a house before. Would they be an opponent idea with them? Edu referee course of Kurana, your reference to a gun and so. A referee coin in a beginning and will be any. And the body does obey your baby out. Penalty and penalty not because a body contact and managing penalty. Let go in there and you go up that clean up that van or don't know where you are, baby. I didn't confuse you. Yes, and that's an Anton Prayasm. When you're in Yajuma.
I was sure that's CP. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
I am very much a Catholic of Wodia.
Yentio Waja.
Now, the Catholic in the Tiafia, young Kwa Yamati, every year, Yajuma. Because they are affecting a penalty, the referee was unwilling to. Or the Portugal better now. And I said, Ronaldo better, but many suspected this because he was unwilling to even go and see from the area. It was suspected for betting or betting. Me imagine no. Me that's it.
Abusia, yes, that's CP self-free. Hello, good morning.
Edward Wachuman.
That's right.
That's a free idea. Man, being in a heat. Yani Nanapon, Papa.
Nanapon, Yentio.
89 points. What do you too much? Mampona.
Sharp.
No idea. No question. Referee, acquire what they Ghana for. So no question. One way. And I any coach needs to change his no way. No at the high. In the best with Wado. A comedy actually. And Aroma. When you're near the bois. Mary. Anaba. And go on when you're
Abusia, Yadasipi. Why? Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, madam. Pacho Dini Baby Alfrefi.
Because that's really new. I bring me a friend Jemima.
Yo, Auntie Jemima Yentio.
Oh, Mamma Morgana 4 hours. And right on mobile. Now, I for now referee now. I'm why you. Do the umpire Monday, dear.
Yamene hene nasipi. Hello, good morning. Kola uchato. Eja?
Bokode.
Yameti ase.
We
Doctor men chimpna. Gentio.
Nanto aye benko mnyene e wo sunu wakura so se menka jo so chia pa.
Me jeneso.
Menua enra ya papa get the lose match on my mu na enra match na yam ya manka na membo because we should game again a boy ya pa at the end of the day. Almost saying ya ba me nyina no ana yebre na aka no. Referee no and a waiting cuckoo. No two about that. A referee no, a man fight should be a referee no, and a year no matter. Intino, Mumian Chester, Nema, we Nanyam, second game this year. Almost Suba Fem, Ghana, you bring me, man, Tramparamedas.
I was your Mate Messimida CP, Yantimin Fakol Sibio, a high Adom 106.3 FM. Well, I'm sure 17 minutes after 8. GH Mosho join me. Well, enter. I'll cross you over to him now for Yasha. Name of Shannon Sosa Ube me winning a brand new car. Brand new car. Macan Prince are with them. Oh, we need brand new car. Every Yango drivers. Ademo Kasa, we are Yango partner drivers who take part in the contest. Oh, we need car no. Now for smartphone. And Pem and our mochiche fresh is here 059 669 3550 059 669 3550. On the 8th to the 9th of December, Yenina Dianichrim, our AMA Gardens. A batch of Bronya shopping, a 1 year yawo. Every say Access Bank Ghana PLC, and a graphic communication, Zakabum, and on the SME Fair 2022, no eba. And then now, Pesa Woto. Say arts and beauty, electronics, furniture, food and agriculture, engineering. And now you are into retail store. Me batch of goose ben a pesa wo exhibiting. Ningina Fabra, AMA home. Way the 8th to the 9th of December, 10 a.m. The beer and a panondu. Yeah, the association. Branebe yo bronya shopping ewa hawati. AMA Gardens. Obe to me a friend. So free number way. Na fe odi o ma chuchin come on. 0800 004 400 0800 004 400. Access Bank, more than banking. GH Mosho. Onya, now say lie be. Asapa. Sharp. Adom.
Nah.
Still I go su jirem wo Ghana t-shirt na say o ade. Ekoye.
Ye pa ba ye.
Ekoye. Now say enra eko say.
Oh. Asapa easy. I think say I say boys in the
oh yeah pa.
I am a point from this game. Because boys in show say determined.
Yeah, determined to play.
Omo media go World Cup.
Exactly.
What do I say?
Yeah.
What do you say? About 90% of in fact your boys said don't World Cup in 26 race 2 pair and omo World Cup da. Omo na omo debut World Cup. It is stage esu. So when you have players in spite of say the fact say first time the Echo World Cup.
There's a Muni World Cup experience.
World Cup experience.
Okay, right.
And the Echo. Until we the first half now we are very cautious because they are conceded.
Yeah.
Me say I wasn't happy with the way they were playing. Because I said now you're sitting back and a lot of pressure but our defense was very well organized.
But don't you think, sir, it was a way of this steady game, you know? Well, yes. Coach and a strategy, no. So
it was part of the strategy.
Okay.
Say
yeah.
Especially a very experienced team, a very talented team to say Portugal for they can surprise you. And Udiagwana goes to the chance say a floor when we are until you manage it. And West it manage it first half 0-0. And over here, second half, we say game is a sign.
Yeah.
Why is it strongly?
Yeah.
Because nobody can just study Portuguese 4 days and all. And even the first half now, yeah, about defensive game now. 1 or 2 occasions are gonna be quite anymore. Now, it tells you say Portugal for say you know ball with yeah. Menya sure say Ghana e be lose.
And you be sure more.
Even when we equalize, you equalize it, your boys, I think lack of concentration and inexperience can create a because you cannot concede those goals.
Yeah, 2 goals.
Goals were too cheap. One said at the end. And I believe, sir, we paid for some of the mistakes now.
Okay, Mosho Mona ya monitor game no Mona moya into sports. First, you share your defense near bad midfield, near share attackers no. Your defense no one is saying.
Well, sorry defense. Now say coach ball 3 central defenders in the game. Salisu, Amati, and Chiku. And these are players on any given day, they will manage the back for you.
Okay.
Which I say, and I nominate coach in the Yagni, so we bought 3 back. No.
Okay.
Now, what deploy, wings, and this one, Salisu and Baba Rahman.
Okay.
Baba Rahman say, I'm out for Baba Rahman as him. Baba Rahman, or your Kung Fu.
Oh, Zamum.
And right game, or your Kung Fu. Because, yes, he made some mistakes. You don't expect Baba Rahman to obey some mistakes, no. What I say?
In fact,
and coach, our options. And I was a coach, who ye say next game, no, a must win, no. Obey who be.
No simple.
Don't Kung Fu American and say, Sir, Bona, of force Portuguese defender, and money a mistake. I manage a ball, a result in the second goal for Ghana. Also, Timon Abasu. Some mistakes now, why you ye blame now. Sabo so ya de ntia no so se ka se ahode baba Rahman ya de
okay
but now from so no do so say we no
okay
yes and I think say I also coach need to be sua niam bi efri mu but our defense did well
okay
our defense they did well
right
what do I say okay some of the petty mistakes now you know and the course we yeah penalty ya referee you cannot blame the Ghana defender. Salisu is a top-notch defender. What ball English Premier League. He knows all these players. And he Sabono, Ushabo slow motion. There's no way I referee beating like I say Sabo way or J penalty.
No, really, until then, penalty.
Oh, there be this ball can never be a penalty. Well, ball. And then Cristiano Ronaldo.
But that's Ronaldo we are talking about.
I don't know. It's a fact.
Yeah,
it's a fact. Say Ronaldo there. I was telling somebody.
Yeah, that's Ronaldo we are talking about. Yeah.
Maybe any other Portuguese player.
And Kebionji. Yeah.
Oh, but I don't know. So no, I idea about quite. I was a player. So it should be free. Say, you avoid tackles.
Yeah. In the especially with such people.
In the 18-yard box. Oh, because me Ronaldo, man, who say or a player is saying I'm wanting for.
I know there.
Baba Rahman could Salisu. Uncle bet me a guide.
Body you be yeah
but going to be for born to next what I say but yeah where we internet can say ebia on the spur of the moment no for say
I know that was all yeah
but born there it wasn't a penalty. Our defense was very well organized.
Now, most changes now, no, the latter part.
Yeah, better changes.
Many abril.
Yeah, better changes.
But next game, you are bench Raman. Any I Jordan, you know, for now.
I was here bench. Ghana funny emotions. I have a chair. Assemble, we have a chair.
Sorry, goes no more share now.
Yeah.
A petty defensive blunders no yeah. You lose ball from midfield. Your defense then you organize. Now go for them just a leeway no more their question.
Yeah.
Second goal is Portuguese for second goal no from Baba Rahman's side. And the third goal also from the right side.
Yeah.
And also on the crochet. And your defenders no make a mistake and who take captain now was say sad mistakes no. And you lose game no.
Okay.
But defense in there, 3 central defenders no.
Now boy you know.
And Seydou Ali do no. Seydou Ali do no. Solid player. The coach will have to use Seydou Ali do again in our second game.
Okay.
Ebia Baba Rahman ho. And
I was so I changes be all. Yeah, show your midfield.
Midfield. Salis Ahmed. Solid. Defensive midfielder. Solid. Because Salis qualifies in our movie. The first game of Boma Ghana against Switzerland. The second game of Obo Ghana and right game.
Okay.
And it's all share the way are now midfield or yet Jumano Bundiana. I think say he did very well. Because defensive midfielders no na opese Pate any Salis and Ebo.
Okay.
But Salis no and then a Gina defenders name. Say be a Pate bit me akọ nanim kakra. A few occasions when the Pate na Pate me akọ nanim kakra. Enti Salis in there I think say I will see Bonabaso. He did very well. Especially over say enroy the second game now. Enti but on the do no you lose your midfield no you lose Portuguese want to control midfield most of the time in the game no. Control midfield in the power. I don't know whether it's because say coach and I catch up with someone in this idea, but you lose a lot of the balls in midfield. Pate, Kudus, Salis, and Dede. Also like that, and Portuguese for the Drew, we don't say no on a bro here, so they were controlling the game. Yeah. I don't know. They were controlling the game, and who control game, most part of control game throughout.
So they are well experienced. I mean, we'll show more players are. Yeah.
In the end, now we are just trying to manage Portuguese for them. So though they almost control game, almost create a lot of chances. Until do a pressure away defense and also pressure away defense and also now you see to me the ball body ahead a lot of panic situations in the game. Now you have one top. You have one top, which is Inaki Williams. Inaki Williams, so share ball now, ball Bilbao now. We get a lot of supplies.
Okay.
80 of some more goods now. Animal, balls and co.
On your supply, no.
Throughout the 90 minutes, no. The question you need to ask yourself is say, how many decent chances and Inaki Williams in your You can count about 3 or 4. So when your man true passer,
clear one I would say.
Yeah, work of Emma. And it was because of the way I not boy born. And I believe said Inaki Williams you making any better use of Inaki Williams. Because we have 50-50 chances of Beshe.
Okay.
One. And we need to find a way you better me as supply Inaki more balls. What I say that say that you bet ball. I bet me control midfield as supply a lot of balls to because you two goals are creating now. Shall be a free bar because it me running into space. Defend ball back where could score fire. The man of pass will take it on the opponent. What creating space? You crossing the bar, they did it in a way. What I say, and that is the way I was saying it me approach the game. No, the second ball, you say the same thing. But Barbara man far ball. No, you two passes man. Or follow up. Or force you defend and need a mistake. And what you ball no. Or cross here. What's my Booker in the Gina way? Nice or heady ball no. Free header. Okay. Not done it. And I was say ye sad defensive mentality no every because in the first half look at the number of passes I get near the ball no koyechi.
As the man can baby say
you mo koyechi. Football you boko your nim. Una ba faka wanim. Ni nya bo a no wadane no say. Now pobi on echi dia man. Now the ball no ko wachi.
Yeah be say.
Obaye den na wa go because ball no the call nipa no opponent no man na wo kwa pegu wa she.
No, but the point is say bia unni nipa within opponents area. So definitely you resort to say obe pass.
Yes, but anytime you the ball no ko wachi bia so you put pressure on yourself. Because opponent attack you. And do the one who quench there or attack you more. Well, I think say game winning there. I was saying it me manage game no even after you share money 1-1 no.
You say your third goal now nanke was say bano. Player Ben Cranny to America Ben can let ball the keeper.
And what the over Zango did you say there can you
because what it tell you but me because for there
yes so be so the 9 months in Crawford Casa say
the goalkeeper no man nwane
na the keeper the
but the hono there's very little referee one give penalty because
wa ba no ni matata the ball
what is the time so 19 plus 9 na so
and we see far ball the ball not too net. Very smart on his part. As a Pama for can changes now.
Changes, yeah.
Coach in the year. Well, I see a from 2 ways.
Okay.
What changing all year, player back walk in the bum on the best go to my
Sure.
You can never call that a bad change.
Okay.
Because all the player boom now will make a positive impact.
Yeah.
Okay, it can never be a bad change.
Sure.
It will two changes. Bako minini yagre, bako minini yagre.
So our body per share or best share go no.
Your bird
Only when share go. Osman, now when be now can buy. Okay. Yes.
Me and I make us a bako minini yagre, bako minini yagre.
Me so say.
Be a mini coach in yagre, a kudus no uniform no. I am not saying say kudus a carbon numa and keep winning.
Okay.
Go make me a carbon. I'm a yellow suit.
Okay.
That's what the conclusion I made draw. But point in say the day change, was necessary because now the day were bread. And you know who in every man, understandable. But Kudus, you're not rare. And a Kudus and a star player, or only the player, no game no more. Ultimate fat ball. Action back home, you know. Any two Mika, no shoot you. At least one you be a bit like I back on
on
target. And so you'll be owning Kudus, a Kudus baller. In the UEFA Champions League, any the Dutch league now, a lot of the goals are also air drive outside the 18-yard box of football. No, two Mika, Chimbakum, no, a drive ball, and or the was share a lot of goals through that. Me man, say coach, and I say obey Kudus a friend because now Kudus had the yellow card. And now, ABR, if anything unfortunate happen, now could be another yellow card. Now you obey lose the second game. But and no, the reason why I say coach, yes, I say. Well, second game in there, you don't have to think about it at this time. What is at stake? The one with 7 any side game. So protect that. I 1 point, at that time, no why equalize, One, media before say changes, or two changes, no, any day. I was saying, go eat the day, not or the Osman Bukari bomb. Because Osman Bukari, or young, or energy, or two Mika. And so we had the ball, or rest our brigade. Negos, I was saying, Mirikan Kwa. Or you're very fast, or you're one of the fastest players in the Ghana team, or no, Kudus, Enna, Kamadin. They can run. Into me, a do baby no. I mean, who say Osman, what may happen? You see, yes, Osman has to come in. Okay. But so who you the day they are, and if Osman, bra.
And you're Jordan.
Jordan at that stage, Najumana na Kudus,
Oh, okay.
Najumana na Kudus, Kudus, or tackle, or jebo, or rane, or to make you back home, you know.
The DMB only
what's the kind of man 1-1. I got 15 minutes to go. Until you manage the rest of the game. What you say? Now, what tighten Medford, Now, what the Osman Bukari na bum, you never because anytime you bet Tiafa Subia, you the Portuguese one, I will be on much more. What the number of times you did want to come on much more. Portugal for no. I'm going to tournament dream.
I'm not calling him.
Their team, they don't have a good team.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm telling you.
Me,
I know they don't have a good team. Because Bowe pa, inexperienced and a higher.
No, but just Uruguay and South Korea, Beshomo.
Oh, they can qualify from the group. I'm just saying.
I'm not coming. Okay, right.
And so we have South Korea for that. Chairman.
And easy. That is me. I know that Miss Roma Black Stars.
Yeah, no Monday 1 p.m.
South Korea. And only match I Miss Ru. Uruguay there. I mean Uruguay minimum see a bit for me. Oh no, Uruguay will score them. No, Uruguay will score them. I mean Uruguay and Portugal. You know. South Korea
now Uruguay.
South Korea. Watch okay. Would them show be analysis.
Let's talk about our coach too.
Atizigi mu nyina won come once mo.
Oh, Atizigi dey send right. Atizigi.
O perform me.
Atizigi no. Atizigi.
Coach has sent a message say we are member nyumbi ma. Coach Dwaso. As the analysis are we nyina we are member nyumbi ma.
Asempa.
Mitiopa.
If there is any goalkeeper and any player in the Black Stars will receive criticism pa Atizigi. But then right.
Oh yeah,
before man and God.
Oh yeah.
Coach Nensano emu dey na obetumi aka say free Atizigi. Enti no credit wa ne aka. You say on shada nye goalkeeper or ya de sa. But another game ni dey. Ne form so e ka clear. Ne form so e ka clear bi. Enti me kura no me bona baso. Me bo Atizigi abaso say no o ya de. On trust sa because at the moment he is our number 1. Enti we need to encourage him to do well. More than Cristiano Ronaldo Kokosha na your offside. Say it was a very good save and Oyedema, and I think he did well. in the game. And we hope say on committee any terrible mistake because I'm right there. Chairman goes me and Sunday there.
You bet me I found.
Now asempa ma ready online platforms you see GFA a petition FIFA. Sa penalty ni offside goal na coach referee no J no. Moso ebekọ baby. Oh debi but yes sanction no come at least ya kuma beto ye
World Cup qualify see. South Africa for don't man can say Robu. South Africa for Bahani penalty. And they share woman. I'm someone to him. On petition FIFA. On the Quad. Chairman, a waste of time.
Yes, I'm prepared for the next 2 matches. Yeah, I'm prepared for the next 2 matches.
As a person about my mechanic, when him said, Yani Portugal, boy, you know. And I mean, who said Cristiano Ronaldo posted Facebook, posting the picture. I just said the credentials now, the Oboso. Not them the dear pa Ghana for the corner, what I'm going to say. So, what corner page on our kind comments as a Ghanaian? Everyone, you will laugh over it. Everyone saw the chapa, tree. I did translation on the better at the other say. And poor, I work a 0 on the page or Jai. Oh, the old to be cock a cake.
Yeah, some more.
There me, I'm a Jerobi.
One thing I mean, who say, referee, no, you know my boys in too much. Well, referee, me never agenda or they buy, but the way now, my boys, no, oh, they don't know, come on, no, Casa, no, yes,
no, flipping yellow card.
It was too much. What I said, it was too much. Also, when I would tell my the way he was treating our boys, he was not treating the Portuguese the same way. What they are, yeah. Infringement biba no okoye player no no in the casa no so the teacher and say what do you want to put fear in the boys
again I'm watching you as
what you say and you nya go tell referee no nya go tell my
okay
me babu
okay Judge Muso ya nko your second game aye be born Monday ya ne my neighbor
South
Korea
okay that game no
South Korea is a very difficult game a very difficult game. South Korea for no hosted tournament in 2002 Korea could do semi-finals ni bobo they have some of the players no why you say players no be Europe be both German Bundesliga be both the English Premier League any day
no move speed
they have a very good team and almost strength no a speed be bia speed no what you say do be too be kasa 90 minutes
more speed
but you see Ade ba ko ne say team a obo speed boss ano ono ne more speed
no brain ase
entu de onya obetumi atumrika no ba oji a oturo game no now there's a way to frustrate team on the ose mrika kwa no betu you can frustrate him enti me sure say otuado ne ne branch ba ko hwe enkofo no clips on be hwe one game on you boy now map up a very good strategy. We need to map up a very good strategy. Say committee some of the defensive blunders now your committee here in the Portuguese game yet mean standing we need to commit minimum errors side game I was say solid until Babara man needs to concentrate throughout the 90 minutes 100% concentration. The little bit of lack of concentration now over display or game the for no South Korea for no they will punish you because someone that's their asset. I want to 30 and no Japan for no at the year Germany for no because Germany for no a lack of concentration a year was and by the time when was not confirmed what I say because after the 75th minute now Germany were normally did 1-0 I want to take 75th minute. And I'm share top up on 83rd minute. That means within 8 minutes, no more we
game no.
And Sana, yeah, the other and Ra. Sad 3 goals no, 2 goals now, and we lead 3-1 no. About within a short time now.
Moso ave for coach no, na member coach na nyum no so member ma no.
Oh, Otuado there, chairman. Say no, yet me bia on 1 year. We need to back him and give him the support. Unless say we are person blasters by them. But so person blasters echo anima. Yes, support to coach, you know. And from Sobeba any day. But still, we need to support him. But the changes are I was you know. On your term and Portugal for they did the changes early. so that almost the new energy near the boom. Because player Obama, I was say Otimbe warming up into the game. And it's only the Bambe 75 minutes and I say 80 something minutes. Oba, by the time Oba warming into the game, not time and no, and to only make any impact be a game anymore. And the changes now, young in term, me they say, or you're a big tournament player. You call AFCON, you call performance, your worst performance in the history of AFCON. He understand it out. Your second game, and you want 3 I don't share the only go at the Maya, way. And or your player beer or the temperament for big games. And you know when I started. But Obiari said, when you need echo him. And you don't have to let him play 90 minutes. And you're now when you're the best out of him, pull him out and bring in young boys now and then Omono. Kovic, they say we now the Kovic bum. We talk about the Kovic bar game with him. What I say, and I don't know, and Mokovic can even start the game ahead of a lot of the guys. But because Ibisu were ahead of him, the only say amount a very rich bench, amount a lot of options. What two and now your bench now share talent to go on. Who you be a film now the door bench above we are comfortable because when you say Elisha Usubama obey deliver at the amount of defensive midfield. Right. When you say they dare you obey now the ABR Kovic Ebama. Kovic be delivered the same way, or even more than they dare you. And I said, "Be out the Osman Bukari Ebama." I was saying we change this anthem. Now, Mijiri said we can get a very good result. See, the other one said, and they said you lose any of our 2 games. It is either we win 1 game
and draw one,
or we win both. Me are qualified.
Temptation not starting.
Yes, I said
that. I say GH Mosho. Ghana for Mosho. We are too much. Mommy and coach and 43 minutes after 8. Adom 106.3 FM. Arukodo double.